What's that? I'm get free ha. In the tradition, we shake hands from here and then go in this direction. Marching, move, marching, move, marching. Yeah. Marching, marching. Yeah. Marching, marching, marching. The Sunday, color, yeah, what's it? Lecture on pages. Where are they? Turn on him. Where are they? Mramwobi. Where are they? Winning. Yeah. The way Nyansapo. Yeah, no. But the power. Nyansapo. Ebe abaka honso ne se Nyansa bo po a ofasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopwa. Enka nyansa bopwa. Nyansa bopwa. Nyansa bopwa. Okwasia. Ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. We asie ne san. Yo, Mati. Na epo eti se wo bo trimpo. Enti we nyansa mama nchase. Well, nyansa popo okwasia eti when you say nyansa bopo a okwasia ntumi nsane. Enti ye be no dwum kwan so we'll sing it as a song. Me na me told you say nyansa bopo a mo be Jesus say okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a there mo ka say okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a there be tie mo be ka say okwasia ntumi nsane. Wo na wo be ka say okwasia ntumi nsane. Me ka say nyansa bopo a wo be ka say okwasia ntumi nsane. What you say? You understand? I'll say nyansa bopo a, you say okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a monka okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane ka. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane ka. Mo okwasia ntumi nsane ka. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ka. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Mo okwasia ntumi nsane. Mo okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Ntumi nsane. Mo okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Okwasia ntumi nsane. Mo okwasia ntumi nsane. Because okwasia ntumi nsane. Ama okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a 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 okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo e okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopo a okwasia ntumi nsane. Nyansa bopoa or quasiantumi insani. 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 Now, and what it means is that when wisdom ties a knot, a fool cannot untie it. What you say? You understand? It is a way a nyame nyansa. This is the wisdom from the Creator. Change the bopo, and the yentmi and sanisa point. Nyansa bopoa or kwasia on tmin sani. What you saying? How do you understand it? What you saying? Nyansa bopoa kwame ankan eti nyansa bopoa afidia mo na mo ka say nyansa bopoa. So now you all will sing the part nyansa bopoa. Me just say okwasi antumi nsane enti monko okwasi antumi nsane nyansa bopoa okwasi antumi nsane okwasi antumi nsane okwasi antumi nsane mon sorry. Why me say mon sorry? Yeah. Mumbo mon sam. Why me say? Abidia kwame akan. Why me say mumbo mon sam? Nyansa bopoa. 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 Aye, yendi ata agrom. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okase nyansa bopoa. Okwasi antumi nsane. 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 Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Okwasi antumi nsane. Nyansa bopoa. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okwasi antumi nsane. Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okwasi antumi nsane. Okwasi antumi nsane. Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Nyansa bopoa. Yeah. What are you? Yeah. What are you? Where are you? Yeah, inti where nyansa po. Nyansa po. Inti obiantro nyansa po. Obiantro. Has everyone written it? What you and the other day, you have a bon como. And then you have a bon como. So today we're going to have conversations. At the same. Mo. At the same. Mo. At the same. Mo. At the same. Mo. At the same. Yeah. Cause it yeah. Mo. At the same. Mo. Yeah. Cause it yeah. Cause it yeah. I'm a one. Cause it yeah. Mo. I idea. I'm at the same. Mo. My idea. I'm a bisachi. Mo. Chi. Bisa. Nkosi. Mo. Nkosi bisa pada Kayla ana. Kayla. Yo. Nkosi bisa Kayla. Kasi at the sign. Yeah. Mo. Kayla bisa mama. Yo. Mama bisa pada Odin. Odin the sign. David Odin. What's your name? Amira. And see, Mama bisa Amira. No, Amira bisa pada Odin. Saraya. Amira. Hey, Amira bisa Soraya. No, Soraya bisa Ama. Yo, Ama bisa Kayla. Yeah, Kayla bisa Nkosi. No, Afi, Odin the sign. Yo. Odin the sign. Odin the sign. Odin the sign. Mo. Odin the sign. Mo. Odin the sign. Mo. Odin the sign. Midinde Nkosi. Mo. But Odin the sign. Midinde. Because that Midinde. And then you mention your name?
Ama.
Odin the sign.
Medinde Akosia.
Yo. Chi. Bisa Mama. Odin the sign. Malvi. Bisa Ama. Odin the sign. Ama bisa Obi. Kasi midinde Kayla. So you share at the saying after the you share a year. You share within the saying after the you share midinde. And see Kayla bisa Obi. Bisa Obi. So Bisa Obi, that's ask someone. And see me person Bisa say within the sign. Obia, why? Who are you asking? Why you gonna say? Let's do it like this. What would be sa? Now I call Niho. Now what be sa? That when you want to ask, go up to the person and ask them. And say, oh, sorry. enti bisa mama koni ho bisa say wodin the say no baya dia yembo yen sama no Malvi ko bisa obi mine who you ask
all the way up to the first.
you koni no yembo yen sama no afi chi ko bisa obi no ama yembo yen sama ama ko bisa obi Medinde Amara no Amara ko bisa obi yo pe bia mo yembo yen sama Suraya ko bisa obi no yembo yen sama Nkosi ko bisa obi yo pe bia ko bisa on va se mate yo enti afi ya hwe etisen ya hwe eye ya hwe wodin de sen ya hwe midin de enti etisen yo wodin de sen mo waya de etisen wodin de sen mo waya de mo na mo waya de etisen mo wodin de sen mo yembo yen sam kese mo etisen mo wodin de sen mo waya de aja etisen mo wodin de sen midinde mo yembo yen sam kese ma aja etisen eye mo waya de Nkosi etisen yo kaze eye kaze mo wodin de sai kaze midin de nkosi mo aya de wo etisen wodin de sai mo aya de ete ate mi no Monfa wencheche. Na obia ho. We dey obia atworo. Has everyone written this? Obia atworo. Martin. 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 That's a yeja. Martin. Amara. Martin. Because yeah, Martin. Mo Martin. Mo Martin. Ama, coach, I'll be saying Martin. Yeah, and we are. Soraya, coach, I'll be saying Martin.
What is that?
Yeah, and we are. Amara, coach, I'll be saying Martin. Yeah, and we are. Me, yeah, and see, Mobile just said, yeah. So, because I'm old enough to be a father, you would say, yeah. Now, so, Obia, we're tipping 4. Mobile just said, yeah, and we are. But for someone who's around your same age, you say, yeah, and we are. What you say? You understand? What you say? Free him. I'm in Minewa. Who free him? Oh, yeah, yeah. Chi, who free him? Who free him? Who free him? Well, if she say, oh, free Ghana, or say, me free Ghana. Amara, who free him? You say, who free him? You are from where? Where are you from? Who free him? Because I me free. I feel one more. Mo, who free him? Mo, who free him? Me free. Mo, Mama, who free him? Who free him? Mo. Oh, yeah, we. Oh, Koguru. And I see, Paja, who free him?
Me free.
Abodia.
Everything. Everywhere.
If you have here. Well, I'm in Minewa. What's in here? No. Chi, what's in here?
Should be listening to how he responds because you're going to have to do the same thing, okay?
What's it? Mete. What's in here? Okay, for me. Mama, what's in here? Mo. And I call her what's in here?
Mete hacho.
Mo. And I see what's in here? Mo. Soraya, what's in here? Wo. See. See. What's here? You live where? Where do you live? I know you. You know where you live?
Medina. It's Medina, right?
Amara, what's in here? Medina. Do you say Mete Medina? Can Mete Medina? Can say it. Aha, Mo. Kayla, what's in here? Mo. Nkosi, what's in here? I want it. I said Mete Kwabenya. Oh, Ama, what's in here? Hey, Papa. Mo, you know your son, Katia. In Canton, Kwame and Kashi, not some Mumu. Kwame say Mumu, some Katia. Why are there? At the sign? Within the sign? No, within the sign? Yo, Mama, Coach, I'll be set marching. Because, yeah, Nuya. Nkosi, I'll be set marching. That's it, marching. No, you boy, you sound like a mama. Chi, Coach, I'll be set marching. Indeed, Marty, I say, see Chia on the path. So, Marty is the way to greet in the morning. Indeed, what we say, Marty on the path. Also, we say, yeah, and we are. So, if he greets you as Marty because it's still morning, you respond by saying, yeah, and we are. Aha, Mo, you boy, you don't get your man. Kayla, sorry. I'm back. Now, so you're in the agro. You're in the agro. Tonight, you're in the agro. Kwame says tonight. Get up, Pacho, sorry. The person will cheer be said marching. To be a Mo, you boy, you sound like a man. Mo, Mama, I'm in Miniwa. The job is a match. Mama, I'm a bunch of Mo, you might sound like a mom. Oh, you're in the agro. You're in the agro. Ama, Kochia and Azi. Mo, you boy, some man.
But Abba is child.
Oba.
Who's child? How is it Obaya? Obaya.
Oba. Oba.
Stand by
Oba. Oba. Oba.
So it's just
And the tongue. So Oba. 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 Na o. Oba. 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 Vamos a soñar. So Oba is woman. She knows someone whose name Obaya, which is woman Ya, the woman named Ya Obaya. And she was trying to make a distinction between the Oba in Obaya and Oba, which is just child. So if someone's young enough to be a child, you respond to them, Ya Oba. Ya Oba. Mo. What's he? Kobisa obi. Say obisa wa, one so kobisa obi. So after she asks, whoever she asks, then you go and ask somebody else. And we keep going until everyone gets asked. You kobisa. Wo say you live where? Because I mean, I live.
So now's your turn.
What be I say? What say he?
Ask someone who has not asked yet.
I could be so before.
So ask someone.
Because he can say mete kwa binya. Yo. Why are you? Because he. Sorry, could be so. Mo, why are you? Amara, could be so be. Yeah. Mo, you boy, son, can say, Mama. I do so.
Malvi, ask someone who hasn't gone yet.
What's he? Mo, you boy, son, can say, Mama. Soraya, I do so. Mo, you boy, son, can say. Obisa fine. Yo, happy there. I'm at the sign. Obisa obi.
Mo. That'll be your turn.
I do so.
You have to pick someone who has not done it yet. Mo.
Obisa obi. Mo, why are there? Because it could be Saudi. Oh, could be Saudi.
You have to pick someone who hasn't done it yet. They've done it already. Pick one of the girls.
Can say exercise? Can say exercise? And Kosi, can say exercise? Can say exercise? No, no. Soraya. Soraya. Nahami. Mo. Mo yensam. Kela.
Your sister's the only one left who hasn't gone. Yeah, you didn't go, right? Oh. So who can she? Oh.
Can say exercise? Mo. Mo yensam kesi man. Where are you? Happy dear. Within the sign, Mo, why are there? Could be sat. Mo, Mo, you're round. Mo, why are there? Could be sat.
Use a whole sentence. Medinde.
I said within the sign, we can say Medinde Amira. Mo, why are there? Amira could be sat. When are you sure? Within the sign, could be sat.
You can pick someone who hasn't gone yet.
Bisa in a color.
You can pick. Oh, I can't. Medinde Anakala.
Mo, in a color, could be sat. Why are there? Mo.
Zelena. Is everyone gone yet?
Where are you?
Ngosi, did you go? Okay. She did?
Yo. Who free? Mo, bisa obi. Who free here? You're from where? Who free here? Can say me free. Mo.
Mo.
Mo yensam. Soraya, ko bisa. Mo. Ko bisa. Can say me free. Kill me free. So you are from where? She's asking, you're from where? Where are you from? You say, me free, I'm from. And then you mention the place where you're from. Me free. So me free, Connecticut. Okay. Mo.
Mo.
Where are you? Kela could be south. Who free him? Who free him? Because the car said me free Ghana. No, I idea. Kela Kobisa. Bisa ama. Ya say who free him. Mo ama. Ko bisa obi. Mo ya. Mawovi. Wote he. Wote he. Mo aya dia. Ko bisa. Kaza wote he. Mo ama. Mo mawovi. Ama ko bisa. Voilà. Kok bisa? Kok bisa? Yeah. What's in here? Who bisa hoi? Who are you asking? What's in here? You live where? Okay. So look, for each one I've given you a translation. So te is to live. So wo te he, you live where? Is what he's asking this time. So where do you live? You live in Connecticut right now? I think you live in Medina, right? So say Miti Medina. Miti Medina. No, you know yourself. Yo, Kila Kubisa. Because I said, would say he. You're asking them where they live. Would say he.
Where I can sit down.
As a Kwame and Kashi.
Turn down his
She. As a Kwame and Kashi. Mo, Kubisa. Kubisa, Kubisa, Kubisa. Kubisa. Oh, yeah, Kubisa.
Wait, which one are we doing?
What's in it?
But I did it with Kayla.
Yeah, that's what Bisa will be full from. Can I ask someone else?
What's in there?
Mo. Come on, Sam. Inti, share me. Wo. Ah. Yeah. Mo. Wo. Jamaica. Me. Monka. Me. Wo. Yeah. Mo. Wo. 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 Mete hacho. Mete hacho. Mete kwabenya. Mete madina. Mete dodoa. Mete oyibi. Mete ha. Wo. Ama bravo tina. One boy from Kosikra, one of the Abron chicken. Wo te he. Wo te he. Wo. Wo te he. Aha. Me. Cause me. Me. Yes, it. Me. Me. Wo. 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 Me. Wo. Shelby. So look at somebody. Yeah. Me. Wo. Alright. Me. Wo. Me. Wo. Me. Wo. Alright. And you say, do it like this.
I. Watch yourself.
Me. Oh. 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 Me. Wo. Oh. Me. Wo. Oh. Oh. He or she. Me. Kaze. Munka. Me. Me. Wo. Wo. Oh. Me. Wo. Oh. Me. Wo. Me. Wo. Eh. But different U's. This is you singular. This is you plural.
Like you all.
So if I say you should all go to school, this is you, but it's now plural.
So how do we say I in trees? Loud, everybody. I. You in trees. He or she.
Mite. Wote. He. Wote he. Mite ha. Munshe. Ha. Here. Mite ha. Wote he. Mite ha. 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 Yeah. Yetehe. Yetehe. Yetegana. Yetehe. Yeah. Yenyina. Yetehe. Yenyina. All of us. Yetehe. Yetegana. Mutehe. Mo.
Mo.
Tehe.
Tehe.
Mo tehe.
Mo
Mo tehe.
tehe.
Yete ha.
Yete ha.
Yete Ghana.
Yete Ghana.
Yete Ghana heya.
Yete Ghana heya.
We live right here in Ghana. Ghana heya.
Ghana heya.
Watehe.
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 Minim.
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 Minim. I know too.
Minim.
Minim. Yeah.
Minim.
Mepato Cabio.
Minim.
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 Minim say onim.
Minim. Minim.
Oh. Yeah. At the same. Yeah. I said, yeah. Know that your voice has to go up. Yeah.
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 And no one, no mom, some can see my mom. You can't compare. At the same. Mo, I idea. At the same.
Get ready to answer the question.
At the same. At the same. Mo. At the same. Mo. At the same. Mo. At the same. Mo. At the same. At the same. At the same. Mo. Martin. 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 Martin.
You're ready to answer.
Martin. 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 What did you say? What did you say? Midinde. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say?
Matinde inazina.
Mo. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Kwaku, what did you say? Kwaku.
Kwaku.
Kwaku, what did they say?
Morning.
Oh,
Morning.
Sana over here.
Morning.
Sana over here. What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? Kasi Mete Madina. What's it? Kasi Mete Kwabinya. Wufre. Mo aya dia. Wufre. Mo Wufre. Me free. Me free. Me free.
Did you write down universe?
About here. Mo Wufre. Mo aya dia. Wufre. 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 Mo. Kwaku wufre. Kwaku. Je dis me be ko ye. Me be ko. Me name Wufre. Me free.
Amira.
Wufre, you're from where?
Free, Connecticut.
Wufre.
Connecticut.
Me free, Connecticut. Me free. Wufre. Mo aya dia aya dia. Mas já de fofo. Your friend was saying. Your friend was saying. Your friend was saying. Your friend me Kwame. Your friend me Kwame. Your friend was saying. Your friend me. Mo aya dia mo yo san kase man. Tibu. Your friend was saying. Mo aya
Should I come or wait?
Okay. Your friend was saying.
Oh, okay.
Mo.
Okay.
Your friend was saying.
Oh, okay.
Mo. Your friend was saying. Your friend me. Mo. Your friend was saying. 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 Mo. Kobisa. Kokobisa. Entem. Mo. Aya dia. Sorry ya kokobisa. Kokobisa. Your friend was saying. Because your friend me in course. Mo aya dia. Because you kokobisa. Coco. Copa. No. Mama bisa.
Say it loud so we can hear you.
Yeah, Fred was saying.
I say your friend me. Your friend me Kayla. No, Kayla Coco bisa. Obia bisa anyone.
My friend.
Your friend was saying.
My friend was saying. My friend was saying.
I say your friend was saying.
My friend was saying. My friend.
Mo, why idea? I'm in mini kobisa.
My friend was saying.
Mo, Chico kobisa. Kobisa.
My friend was saying. My friend was saying.
Mo, why idea? Amara kobisa.
My friend was.
Mo,
So wait, I get another chance? Oh, that's alright. Let's see.
My friend was saying. My friend used to wear.
mo, why idea?
Just can I trip me again?
Sorry, I kobisa. I do so. I say your friend was saying. Mo, I'm in mini kobisa. Kayla. Mo, why idea? Minnie. Minnie Fifon. Minnie Fifon. Mobara fucking Fifon, Minnie Fifon. Yo, Mom, sorry. Mom, sorry. Mom, sorry. Kwame say, Mom, sorry. Kala okay la ye. Kwame say, Mama Monsasu. Mama Monsasu. Kwame say, Mom, sorry. Mom, sorry. Hey. Eba. Kwame say, Momo Monsam. Kwame say, Monhuri. Kwame say, Montutumre can call Pemprono. Kwame say mumra. Entem. Kwame say Montanas. Kwame say Montanas. Kwame say Momo Monsam. Kwame say Moma Monsan Nifaso. Moma Monsa Benkomso. Kwame say Moma Monsa Benkomso. Kwame say Moma Monsa Nifaso. Kwame say Moma Monsa Benkomso. Moma Monsa Nifaso. Kwame Anka. Yeah. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Montanas. 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 Kwame say Mon sorry. Montanas. Sikelele Africa. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Montanas. Kwame say Monkoto. Mon sorry.
Kosi, Saraya, Maui.
Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Monkoto. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Monkoto. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Mon buto. 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 Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Mon koto. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Mon buto. 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 Kwame say Mon sorry. Mon koto. Kwame
Shit! Oh, they're here. They were late. They were late.
Ya mamwa
A lot of things to write down.
Kwame say Mon huri. Kwame say Mon huri. Yeah. Akwa. Kwame say Mon huri. Kwame say Mon mama sa Nifaso. Moje ama so shema. Mon mama sa Nifaso.
My leg.
They were Nifa. On Sanifa. Kwame say Mon mama sa Benkomso. Kwame say Mon mama sa Nifaso. Kwame say Mon mama sa Benkomso. Kwame say Mon mama sa Nifaso. Kwame say Mon mama sa Benkomso. Mon mama sa Nifaso. Kwame say Montutu mreka nko abedua no ho.
Wait, what?
Montutu mreka nko abedua no ho. Kwame say Montutu mreka nko abedua no ho. Ana mo twen ama.
Abedua.
Montutu mreka nko abedua no ho. Palm, not fine. Why me say Mumra?
How are you? Sunday. Sunday, the gathering, when I see them.
Kwame say Momo Monsam. Kwame say Momo Monsaso. 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 Momo Monsam. Momo Monsaso. Momo Monsam. Momo, hey, Momo Monsam. No, you're not correct. Kwame say Mon sorry. Kwame say Mon hurry. Kwame say Mon koto. 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 Kwame say Mon hurry. Kwame say Mon Monsam. Kwame say Mon Monsaso. Kwame say Mon Monsa nifaso. Kwame say Mon Monsa benkumso. Kwame say Mon Monsa nifaso. Kwame say Mon tutumre kan ko pempuro no ho. Bro.
I'm not going. My feet got wet.
Oh.
My feet got wet.
And you're from Grove. And you're from Grove. I'm going to give me a hand from Grove. Kwaku? Kwaku? Kwaku, bra? Kwame se Mumra? Kwaku? You won't come from your home. And then you're from Pro.
Pampro or huh? Pampro.
Pampro.
Wait.
Pampro.
Oh, I know it is.
Pampro. There, Pampro. Pampro. We say Montu Tumre can't call Pampro no.
Mina me yes.
Hey, it's a Pampro. I'm a call. Pampro no ye. And ye dear. Kwame say Mumra.
Your feet is dirty stuff in water.
Kwame say Mumra.
Oh, cheese and weed. Cheese, Granny.
Kwame say Montanas.
I know you need to.
Kwame say Momo Monsam. Kwame say Momo Monsaso. Momo Monsam. Momo Monsa nifaso. Momo Monsa benkumso.
See?
Kwame say mama mo sanifa so. Kwame say mama mo sa benkum so. Kwame say mama mo sanifa so. Kwame say bisa say etesen. Kwame say Jesus say eye. Kwame say kase etesen. Etesen. Kwame say kase eye. Kwame say maachi. Kwame say yeja. Kwame say utehi. Kwame say mitegana. Kwame say ufrihi. Kwame say mefri abibiman. Kwame say mama mo sanifaso. Kwame say mama mo say mo sa benkum so. Kwame say maachi. Kwame say yeja. Kwame say atisan. Kwame say eye. Kwame say utehi. Kwame say mitegana. Kwame say wodin de sign. Kwame say medin de Kwame. Kwame say mon sorry. Montanasi.
Debbie, Melvin, Kosi, Melvin.
Y'all are out.
Montanasi. Montanasi.
Debbie.
Oh.
Kwame and Cassie.
Ha. Kwame say Montanasi. Kwame say mon sorry.
You're out, Mo.
Kwame say Montanasi.
You can come back after
Mon sorry.
15 minutes. Debbie. You can come back in 15 minutes.
Yes, I'm not Kwame. Kwame say mon sorry. Kwame say mon hurry. Kwame say mon hurry. Kwame say mon tutumre kan ko onyina dua no ho.
Y'all might not want to walk barefoot over there, but y'all can get y'all feet dirty. Okay, they want their feet dirty. Wait. Okay, let's go about it.
Kwame say mumra.
You should do the first, second, third. People come. They're out. Now they be more difficult.
Hona obi abetutumre ka.
What?
Oh.
Kwame say mon kofro anansintentan. Kwame say mon kofro anansintentan.
What?
Are you gonna do it? First, second, third.
Yeah, better. You say mon kofro anansintentan. Wow, cool. Kwame say mon sipam. Kwame say mon fro anansintentan. Kwame say mon sipam.
Did you do your homework?
Kwame say mon sipam.
Look it up and find out.
Was that there?
Elation. Erasing. Oh. Machi. Come out. You lost two. Listen. Oh, a little bigger baby too. It will grow back.
Come on, Mama. Uncle, I'm man also. I'm sorry. Diana. Okay, no, I'm sorry, Mungo. Mama, sorry, call. Mungo. You will ya dear Kakra. Annie. Annie. Oh! Kwame say Monty fam. Kwame say Munko fro ndwai.
We made a leaf pavilion. We forgot that we already played. Hello.
Kwame say Monty fam. Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Mama Monsaso. Kwame say Mama Monsam. Kwame say Mon Chamohonsia. Kwame say Mama Monsaso. Kwame say Mama Monsam. Kwame say Monko fro Ndiano. Moabre.
Excuse me. I love
Da.
Sorry, it's already taken.
Monfro. Pro. Climb.
We should get off?
They say Monfro.
Is that climb? Wait, what? But you don't have
Moabre. You're tired. Kwame say Momra.
What? I'm going.
Minim. Maja ho microphone ho. Bro. Kwame say Momra. Kwame say Monko onyina aduano ho. No. Kwa tumrika konyina aduano ho. Kwame say Monko abeduano ho. Kwame say mo huri. Kwame say mo huri.
The water king. There we are.
Kwame say mo huri wo ha. Bro. Come is the monster fam.
Oh, where that trampoline scared me.
Come is the Mama Monsaso. Come is the Moncham Hunsia.
Hey.
Come is the Mama Monsaso. Come is the Moncham Hunsia. Come is the Mama Monsaso. Come is the Mama Monsam. Come is the Mohri. And them. Kwame say monko abedua yi ho. Monko abedua yi ho.
Kwame said only 2 people should be on.
Mate. Kwame say monko abedua yi ho. Yo ha. Kwame say monko abedua toso mienu no ho.
6, 7.
Kwame say monko abedua toso miensa no ho.
6.
Kwame say monko abedua toso 9 no ho. Kwame say monko abedua toso num no ho. Kwame say monko abedua toso nsia no ho. Kwame say monko abedua toso nso no ho. Kwame say monko abedua toso nwatwe no ho. Kwame say monko abedua toso nkoro no ho. Kwame say monko abedua toso du no ho. Kwame say montana tana.
Let's try to get a seat. I was first.
Kwame say mon sorry.
I'm second.
Kwame say mon sorry.
Over free on her.
Kwame say montana asi. Kwame say mon sorry. Kwame say montana sin sorry. Kwame say mon sorry ntanasi. Kwame say montana sin sorry. Kwame say montana sin sorry. Montana sin sorry. Kwame ankashi. Kwame say mongo fro anansententan. Anansententan spider web. That's a spider web. Monfro anansententan.
I'll just be better at taking off.
That's good. What here? Give me all you got. Give me all you got.
Kwame say monfro anansententan kosoro.
You can go all the way to the top. Yeah. No. As fast as you can. Come. I'm coming. Ball. Get a room. If you make it to the top, you get a room. Get a room? First! Yes! Well, I'll definitely be second.
Did you say this?
No.
First place!
No.
I'm gonna be left.
First!
No.
Paco place!
Dedi kind.
I just want to go over here. Let me go down now. Second place.
Mongo soro.
Third place. All of us are probably not going to fit on that.
Last person for 4th place.
Look at Kayla.
Kayla.
I am scared. Kayla. Look, you have to go to the other room.
Yo.
Ah!
Kwame say monsi fam bro. Monsane bro. Monsane bro. Bro.
Kayla's stuck. Yes. I really don't want to touch her. Help, Kayla. He said whoever gets down.
Short.
Jeans. He said whoever gets down last gets a gooey treat.
No.
Oh, what?
I don't. I'll say whoever gets
safe.
down first.
That's a gooey treat.
Me.
Kwame Ankanshi.
Wait, what?
I'm an Okasa. Kwame say mo free. Kwame say mo free. Kwame say mo free. Kwame say mo free.
Bye, guys.
Kwame say mo free.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It was 8.
8.
Ko no sa 9 no sian son watch. Kwame say mo free. Ba ko mienu miensa. Kwame say mo free. Ba ko mienu. Kwame say mo free. Ba ko mienu miensa 9. Kwame say mo nko papankwa no so.
Annoying. Come on. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Oh, okay. It makes you surprised. Yeah.
Kwame say mo nko papankwa no so.
These 4 planes are taken.
Can you push me, Mama? Can you push me?
These 4 T, who am I? On damn swing. Bro, you should have saw Kanisha. You just looked at it in your face.
That's fair.
No. Kwame say mo nko besie so. Nko besie ba ko nso ni. Nko besie. Ba ko nso ni. Nko besie.
Oh, crap! I'm gonna get off and put. Oh, God. I should have. Okay, look.
Get on. I want to get on.
Kwame say mo nko frofro nwiai. Kwame say mo nko frofro nwiai. Bro.
The place first. I mean, nobody can take it now. I got this place. And they have to pay lease to enter my property.
I got this place. Nobody.
No!
Nobody. There's open space over there. Now we own it. Yo, there's space right there. Right there.
It takes from here to the break.
Caitlin, get off of my space. Caitlin. Yo, stay. I said once. Get off.
Hey!
There's a free space over there.
Excuse me.
Wait, mommy.
sausage.
I love you can't own a spot.
This is my spot.
Kwame say mo free ha nko ho. Mo free ha.
Everybody over there comes to my space. But y'all have to pay 100 seats.
No, we don't. Hey, government said
Go back to your spot. Y'all have to pay.
The government said we can be here for free.
Ma'am, you have to pay.
My spot. Thank you.
Okay.
Take it down.
Pay.
Lifeguard.
Go. My property. My property.
Kwame say mo free ha nko ho. Kwame say mo free ha nko ho.
Wait, what? Go over the mic. We're going on. Get in line. You gotta get in line if you want to turn. Whatever. Go.
Albie, you're not gonna make wiped out. Kayla looks like she's gonna survive it. Watch this. I'm gonna go over 1.
No.
I did it! Hey.
No, like
Oh
skip
no,
1.
you're.
I could skip 2.
Can I do it?
Yes, I know. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Whoa.
I was preferring Kofi.
How do you say go to the raindrops?
Here,
Ta-da!
Monko Sendiano.
Yay! I did it! I don't know if it's somehow.
Are you going up?
Mom,
Sensei. Senya. Senya.
I'm a help. Mom, oh yes! Mom, Kwame said, Mom, Senya. Oh, don't do it.
Yeah, yeah, same one.
Deep red yellow. That's okay,
Okay, send your mom. That's a no also.
Hello. Send me back down. Why outside? Who don't help me?
Boom!
Wiped out. They just wiped out. I don't know, you need to move. I just hey, that's not fair. I did this.
Hurry up.
No.
Bravo.
I'm gonna make him get up.
Why me say at the sign? Why me say marching?
Marching.
Why me say yeah? Why me say at the sign?
At the sign.
Why me say yeah? Yeah.
I'm not ever gonna.
Why me say Munina Munsifam? Munsifam. Munsifam.
Where does this?
Why me say Munsifam?
Get down.
Munsifam.
Jump your body. Down.
Why me say Munsifam? And some.
I'll get down.
Why me say Mohuri? Why me say Mohuri?
She's about to get wiped out.
Why me say Mohuri?
I bought what? Why she gonna get wiped out?
Why me say Montanasi? Why me say Montanasi? Why me say Monsori? Why me say Moncotanasi? Why me say Moncotanasi?
Already had lunch?
Obia Yonko. Muche.
No, we should have got.
Can I go next to see what time it is?
Train Aka na yapon. Cotanasi.
I love the one more seat.
You're a pretty brown girl.
What pretty brown girl? Where's the top? This is our pepper.
Why me say Monsori? Why me say Montanasi? Why me say Monsori? Why me say Montanasi? Why me say Monsori? Montanasi. Why me say Monchamuhunshia? Why me say Momo Monsam? Why me say Momo Monsam? Why me say Momo Monsam? Why me say Momo Monsaso?
This is the outside. If you're out of the game, come to here.
Why me say Momo Monsam? Why me say Mohuri? Why me say Monko Anantin Tintan no ho?
Go to the spider web. Ouch. That's the I really feel up there. You can't cheat. You can't cheat. Ow! Get off of my pinky. Pinky. Are you okay? How does it feel up there? Because I'm coming up. Okay. You can fall down. Now jump. No. Jump. No. Jump. No. Dappio. Jump. Dappio. Hurry. Who wants to jump? I am. I'm gonna jump. Gee. Yeah.
You can see all the water spots from up here.
That's a really nice thing to watch.
Kwame say mum fro anasin tantan ko fro kra.
Bye. Who's shaking it? Ah! Stop shaking it, Amma. Amma, stop. Jai. Amma. Paucho, Jai, Amma. Paucho, Jai. Ah!
Move the net. I'm not doing that anymore.
That's me. Yeah.
Kwame say mun sifam. Kwame say mundi mechi.
Come on. You Mechi. What is that? It looks like a water park.
Kwame say mundi mechi.
I'm gonna walk in there.
Kwame say mundi afrosane.
Oh, that's easy to climb. Uh-oh. You might want not. Everyone's feet is wet. Slide!
Kwame say mun sanko di afrosane.
There's water.
He just slid right into I wiped it for y'all. Y'all be thankful. Hey! Thank you! Come out, cut in line. Y'all be thankful. Yeah!
Kwame say mun sanko di afrosane.
What's that mean? Don't cut in line.
Mundi afrosane emprenai.
The bus stop.
Kwame say mundi afrosane emprenai.
Oh! Why? I dang! This is stop. I stay. I dang! This is stop. This is no. Come on, keep it moving. Yes, this is water park. Emma, come on. Okay. You try to walk up it? Let's try to go.
Kwame say mumra.
A puddle.
Kwame say mundi adendang.
Y'all, watch this. This is the pro. My Paucho bathroom. Yes. I'm still. Boy, you trying to push me up? No. Yeah, especially fire. You can.
Kwame say mumra.
Toast.
Hey. Oh, really? Yay, that
Hey.
toast.
Bro. Munjai.
Jai.
Mumra.
Oh God.
Oh, gabu.
Flooded.
Yeah, Mumra, Mondi Mechi.
What?
First in line.
Second. Third in line.
Mama say Mondi Mechi.
Mommy and Kashi. Because he wants to say.
Mama say, come on, go dear the name.
Boy,
You say, come out.
Come on. You're not coming out.
Come on, go dear the name.
the best day ever. What? It's just water. Rainwater.
Mama say, Chim go dear the name.
This is fun. And 9. Boy.
Mama say, Mauvi Kondi at the
Hey, look at this.
I love to play in the water. I was at the beach.
Mama say, Island Kodi at the name. Mama say, sorry, I'm Kodi at the name.
I was here with this one.
Oh, I want to.
Mama say, I'm Kodi at the name. Mama say, Kayla Kodi at the name. Mama say, come out on time. Kodi at the name. Mama say, Chim Kodi at the name. Mama say, Alan Kodi at the name. Mama say, Malvin Kodi at the name. Mama say, Amara Kodi at the name. Mama say, Aman Kodi at the name. Mama say, come on Kodi at the name. Mama say, Chim Kodi at the name.
Yo, you cheated.
all getting jump together.
Mama say, Mondi Mechi. Oh. Mondi Mechi.
What, Mama?
Kwani odikan? Aha, kuma odikan. Mondi Mechi. Kwani say Mondi Mechi.
I want to
Modin komo mi say Mondi Mechi, Modi ade foforo. Kwani say come on Kodi Afrosane.
I want really short so that's a good thing.
Kwani say Chin Kodi Afrosane. Kwani say Alan Kodi Afrosane. Kwani say Aman Kodi Afrosane. Kwani say Kelan Kodi Afrosane. Thank you. Hey, mo dos.
Wait! Stop!
Munko entem.
Stop!
Entem, omumra.
Stop!
Kwani say Malvin Kodi Afrosane.
Stop!
Kwani say come on Kodi Afrosane. Entem.
Move it!
Kwani say Chibu Kodi Afrosane.
Hey! Stop!
Kwani say Aman Kodi Afrosane.
Stop, wait. Move it. Melvin.
Kwani say Yenko Tenasi. Yenko.
I was trying to
Kwani say Baby, I'm nyambie. I'm nyambie.
Mama, Mama said next week.
Ani.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay off YouTube. People been telling me.
Have you been on there plenty?
Oh yeah.
You did? That's fun.
Tree class.
Was that fun for you?
Yeah, lots of folks
Y'all might have to get muddy on Thursday because they're gonna help them finish this wall. Hopefully they don't finish it. There's water here for everyone. You can take one.
Let me see your beautiful hair.
Wow.
We're gonna get all muddy, even our toes.
Yes. Yep.
Grandma painted my toes.
She did. Can she paint it again? I think it'll be okay.
And Grandma put my hand.
Your mother did it.
Her your grandmother painted him. That's nice. Did you pick the color?
And my plant is a kid. It's a kid plant.
It's a what?
It's a kid. It's grown. It's like this
So
tall.
you take pictures of it, okay? You can use your parents' felt good.
Daddy did. It
Each
said
day you take a picture of it to show
Why me say
how tall it is.
Montanasi?
Mine's just a little.
Why me say Mumra Metanasi?
Its roots are not feeling well because it can't stretch. What kind of a little bit of dirt? What kind of
Oh,
plant?
Why me say Mumra?
I put it all the way to the top until it started growing. It was half low.
Okay, we might need to push it down some.
And Daddy put more dirt on mine because his body was a little bit messed up, and Daddy put more dirt on it. It didn't grow.
Okay. Well, that's okay. You all have a seat. We'll talk about it in a little while, okay?
Montanasi.
Nope, and I'll.
Oh, how is y'all eating lunch before lunchtime?
Ati say akasema insia. Dewe akasema num na abo no ndu ba ku ne fa.
And see if they can do separate. Yay!
Ati say Mo. Ati say Ati say Mo. 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 Ati say
Oh yeah.
Mo. Within the sign. Within the sign. Within the sign. Within the sign. Medinde. Mo. Yamo yesa kasi ama. Within the sign.
Medinde ama.
Yo mo yamo yesa kasi ama. Within the sign.
Medinde elakala.
Mo. Ayande. Within the sign. Within the sign.
Are we ready? Medinde.
Oh,
Thank you, Anna.
Within the sign. Mo. Within the sign. Mo. Within the sign.
Medinde Kayla.
Mo. Within the sign.
Medinde Myra.
Mo. Oh yeah. Within the sign.
Medinde.
Mo. Oh yeah. Within the sign.
Medinde Adesuabea.
Mo.
Anna.
Your friend was saying.
Chibu.
I'll say Chibu. I'll say Chibu.
Because he said Chibu.
I'll say Chibu.
Because he said Chibu. This is Chibu. New name. Antoine Chibu.
Your friend was saying. 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 Your friend was saying.
You're from Amber.
Your friend was saying.
You're from me.
Your friend was saying. Your friend was saying.
You're from me.
Your friend was saying.
Remy Adesuabea.
Mo. Moya dia. What's it here?
That's where do you come from? Where do you live? Oh,
Mo. What's it here? What's it here? Mo. What's it here? Mo. What's it here? Mo. What's it here?
They say Hachi.
What's it here?
Where do you live? You said Mexican. Where do you live?
Mete kwabenya.
Mo. What's it here?
Mete hacho.
What's it here?
Mexican or
What's it here?
Mete Dodowa.
What's it here?
Malvi. What's a hand?
Mete kwabenya.
How do you know where they live?
Because we asked this question earlier before you all came. We went through these same questions.
But we know it.
But we knew they were coming late, so it's okay.
Yeah. That's where you from.
Noah. Lee.
I don't know. I don't know how to say it. It's Mexican.
You just repeat.
Me free.
Mefred. God.
That would be ideal to say where you're really from. Okay, so say the whole sentence.
Mo. Ufri. Ufri. Mo. Ufri kwa minya. Ufri. Mo. Ufri. Mo. Ufri. Mo. Ufri.
Mefred. Where are you coming?
Mo. Yeah.
Connecticut.
Where do you come from? Oh.
Mo. Ufri. Mo. Ufri.
Mefri Abibifahodie.
Of course, you're Ufri. Ufri. Mo. Ufri.
Mefre Obade.
Abodie.
Obade.
Abodie.
Abade.
Mo. Abodie santan free tete. Obi nti aso no nim na hyase na obi nti na sem kosi na wie je nyame.
Yay! What happened? What happened? Didn't you hear that lengthy proverb?
Martin. 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 Martin.
Yeah.
Martin. Martin.
He's old enough to be your son, so you would call him something.
Yauba. Yauba. Mo.
What?
Yaoba. And what does that mean? Abodie.
No. Oba is child.
Oba.
Obade. My child. Well, he's not a child, but if a person who's older than him would not say Yeja to him because they're not, he's not old enough to be the father to
See
them.
the basket over there?
He's old enough to be a son, so we'll say Yaoba.
So we have a question on the floor. Aba translates to child, but there are two different words for child. You have abofra or akwara, and that's child in the sense of someone who's, you know, under 10, 9, any of that age grade. That would be either abofra or akwara. But when you say oba, it also translates to child because English only has one word for that people generally use. But there's another word that oba is closer to, which is offspring. So that means regardless of how old you get, you're still someone's ba. Right? So I can be 60, but because my mother is 90, I'm still her ba. So I'm her offspring. I am Meyeniba. Meyeniba. I am her offspring. Right? But I'm not akwara. If I'm 60, I'm not abufra. I'm not akwara. That's the age grade of child. Right? So all of you are children. Right? However, once you become 30, you will no longer be abufra. You'll no longer be akwara. But no matter how old you get, you'll always be someone's ba. Watch that shit. You got it? So difference between child, difference between offspring. So what parents you? Well, yes, I know. Yo, after the you be didi. Monko didi.
No, coming.
Monko didi, monko emrazo, mon didi. Ah, monko didi.
11:32.
Look at his face.
11:32. It's past lunch.
Aha, monko didi, yanko.
Yeah.
Ko didi.
So you have 1 hour for lunch and play.
Kwame se monko didi. Right.